Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by one of my awesome patrons in response to, actually he reached out to me and said, hey, I think you'd really find this interesting. I want to send this to you. And I took a look at it and I thought, yeah, I remember that one. I'd like to take a look at it. So thank you very much, Dustin. Thank you also to all of my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and tear right into this guy. There we go. Freshly sharpened scalpel with a reasonable caveman edge. We have, I think if I remember correctly, he sent... wow, that's a big box. I thought, oh, I lost the sleeve to it. There we go. Sleeve and box. HEA or I always want to say HEAdesigns. Let's actually here. There's a note. Let me take a look here real quick. This is the Equilibrium V2. Now this is a limited run. Do you have Instagram? No. Okay. Let's see here. It's M390 3.5-inch blade, two-tone ceramic bead blast with a hand-sanded satin flat finish, titanium and multi-row ceramic bearings in the pivot. Interesting. All right, here we go. You guys ready? Yeah, I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to recognize this or find it, to be something that you're familiar with aesthetically. Here we go. Boy, that is quite different. But, ooh, yes, nice and smooth. And here's the other thing. I love these little micro milling lines. These little lines right here, you can see the texturing right there. I'm a big fan of that. It extends to the pocket clip. And the blade, obviously, the blade is the wildest part. Look at this. Holy moly, what blade shape do we call that? It's like a Persian clip point. Man, that is ridiculous. Very, very cool. And also, it's interesting how the blade follows the lines perfectly with the handle so that it slides in position. A lot of times with knives that have a really wild aesthetic, I wonder exactly how ergonomic they're going to be, if it's going to make sense, right? Sometimes the designers lean too heavily into the aesthetics, and it doesn't yield a pleasant ergonomic experience. But I'm going to tell you guys, these lines right here, that one right there actually does lock your finger in. And the contouring on the scales, which is absolutely present, is really nice, fills the hand. And this area back here, this little notch, is a perfect little place to put your thumb. So, honestly, I'm kind of impressed right off the bat. I did not think that I was going to enjoy. I looked at that and thought, that's got to be like, holding on to a piece of barbed wire, No, actually, the edges are all nicely knocked down. The pocket clip's not a hot spot or anything, and the amount of detail on this guy is really, really cool. I wish I could say that you could still buy this, but I think these are long gone. And I don't always review things that you can get. I just like to look at stuff that I think is interesting, and this one was definitely something I thought was really cool. So I will give my thoughts on that down the road. Much better first impressions than I thought. I mean, honestly, I thought I want to review that because it's weird, but I don't think I'm going to enjoy it, in the hand. No, it's pretty nice. This is cool. Very, very high quality, very well made knife. Absolutely. And very fun to flip. Holy moly. Okay, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. That's pretty much it today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.